this is Adam Levy with another 5-minute guitar lesson. In today's lesson I want to just show you a simple way that you can make some unusual chord sounds on the guitar. What I was playing there was a C major scale, thinking about the scale on the B string. And instead of harmonizing it with traditional triads from the scale, I was using two intervals stacked on top of each other. This is a second, B to C is a second, and then from B down to G is a third. So this was the shape that I used for the C melody note. And then as I go up the scale, each note just moves up to the next scale tone. So C goes to D, and the B will go to C, and the G will go to A. So we have this shape. And it's still a second on top and a third, a third on the bottom. They'll change from major to minor, minor to major as we go through the scale, just to keep it all within the 7 notes that we have to work with: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So going up E, now C will go to D, A will go to B. Same shape as here. So these are our first 3 shapes. Now we have F, E, C. Again, now this is a minor second and a major third. And we'll just keep going. Each note just goes up to its next scale tone in the C major scale. Now it's important to always use the melody note as your focus as you do these kinds of exercises, because the ultimate goal is to be able to harmonize a melody as you play it. So if you wanted to take something like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, you want to be thinking about the melody note, not the stuff below it. That stuff is just kind of tagging along for the ride. So, excuse me. And of course there's other kinds of intervals that you could stack up as well. Let's keep the second on top, because that's kind of a nice unusual sound. And let's say on the bottom, instead of having a third, we'll have a fourth. So here we go. Pretty strange sound. Maybe is good for your ears, maybe is not, but it's worth trying all of these. And you could go for larger shapes as well. You could stack, say, a sixth and another sixth. And what that really is a spread out C triad, but it'll be a cool sound. So let's try this. This is a sixth and a sixth, the same melody. And just to back up a step, if you weren't sure how to do all that, just take whatever sound, whatever intervals you're stacking, so the sixth and the sixth, and work it up the neck and back in the key of C. So if we go C, D, E, F, G, wait, E, F, G, A, B, G, A, B, C, D. You can do this and get as spread out with them or as clustery as you like, whatever suits your own taste or your own sense of harmony. And try playing different melodies. It could be harmonizing a song of your own, harmonizing a traditional folk melody like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, or just playing randomly. Just move around the neck and see where these shapes lead you. It's a way of getting out of these traditional kinds of box chords that everybody learns when they start studying jazz chords. It's all, which are great chords, and you should learn all that stuff too. But this is a way of breaking out of that a little bit and trying to find some of your own pet sounds. And you could take the same approach using 4-part harmony. For example, this is a nice sounding shape. This is a fourth, a a second, and a sixth. 4, 2, 6. And again, each note is just following the C scale on its own string. So this is something you could try in any variation, any key, any set of strings, any interval, whatever your hands can handle, and play with it, see what you can come up with. There's a lot of sounds to be discovered in there, and you're sure to find some things that will become your own pet sounds, your own harmonies that you like to use that sound like you. Thanks. Adam Levy, 5-Minute Guitar Lesson. Thanks for watching.